What if I told you there's a simple tweak in your product descriptions that will double your conversions? Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the secret to product descriptions that actually sell. So without further ado, I'm really excited. Let's get into this. So here's the trick, guys. You want to focus on benefits and not features within your product description. And the reason why I say this is benefits really help your customers visualize what this product is going to do for them. It actually asks the crucial question, what's in this for me? And this simple, tiny little shift can actually help you improve your conversions overnight. So let's break down how you can do this. So first, you want to identify your audience's pain point. What problems are they trying to solve? Then you want to frame your product features as solutions to these problems. Now, we're going to do things a little bit different to other e-commerce stores. We're not just going to list the features. We're going to go through each feature and we're going to show each feature how it actually attacks that pain point for that customer. And if you were selling a productivity app, you wouldn't just say it's got a calendar function. You would say it allows people to meet their deadlines efficiently. And next, we're going to use sensory language to really bring these features to life. In essence, what we're doing is we're painting a vivid picture of a positive outcome. So our app might say, experience the relief of submitting projects on time every time. And just remember, we're not just listing what the product does, we're actually listing how this product will make them feel better. And the reason why this works so well, and the reason why if you do this now, it's going to really up your conversions, is the simple fact that it connects emotionally with your customer and it actually encourages them to actually click on the buy button. So let me show you some examples of how this actually works. So instead of saying skincare product contains 2% salicylic acid, we'll write clears stubborn acne and prevents future breakouts for clearer, smoother skin. And for noise cancelling headphones, don't just say features advanced noise cancelling technology. What you want to do is you want to write immerse yourself in your music or your work without distraction, even in noisy environments. And when you're describing an office chair, rather than just say adjustable lumbar support and armrests, what you're going to say is customize your comfort and reduce back pain during long work hours. And for the last one, for high performance running shoes, instead of lightweight mesh, upper responsive foam midsole, what we're going to write is feel like you're flying through your runs with unparalleled comfort and energy return. Can you see the difference? We're not just describing the product, we're actually selling the experience they're going to get by purchasing that product. And what this does is it turns a browser into a buyer. Now, there's a few additional tips that you can try to really boost your conversions for your product descriptions. You can use power words that evoke emotions like effortless or revolutionary. You can incorporate social proof such as user reviews or ratings. Create attention-grabbing headlines that highlight key benefits. And you'll find that these new product descriptions will be irresistible for your potential customers. Now, if you want to learn even more about product descriptions, I've actually recorded a video that goes through this specific topic. So what I've done for you guys is I've crafted an AI prompt that will craft a really great product description for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT, and this is the prompt here. So as you can see, it's got some placeholders, which allows you to put in the product type, target audience, and if I scroll down a bit further, it's got the product name, list 3 to 5 features, key benefits, describe the ideal customer, what sets this product apart. So you've got to think about this before you fill this in. But I guarantee you, if you fill in all the placeholders and make sure all the details are correct, you'll have a great product description as the output. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this with dummy details, but show you the output from those dummy details. So what I've done is I've filled the actual AI prompt in with dummy details, and then I'm going to run the prompt. So what we've got here is we've got the product details, we've got the product name, filled in the key features, which is leak-proof design, double-walled insulation. You get the idea. So all I've done is I've filled in the original placeholders that you saw here. I filled in all those placeholders, and now I'm going to run the prompt. So all I do is just type in run prompt, and it should start creating a product description for me. So here's the prompt. So what it's done is it's grabbed all the details and basically written out this prompt. Let's read this out. So the title is Hydromax Sports Water Bottle, Hydration that Powers Your Performance. The description is stay hydrated and crush your fitness goals with the Hydromax Sports Bottle, designed specifically for active individuals. This 32-ounce insulated water bottle keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours, ensuring refreshing hydration during intense workouts, long hikes, or even sports events. The leak-proof design and built-in straw make it easy to drink on the move, while the BPA-free, eco-friendly materials ensure you're making a healthy and responsible choice. Engineered for durability, the HydroMax can withstand any challenge you face, whether in the gym or outdoors, with options in sleek black, vibrant red or bold blue. There's a style for every athlete, and it just gives you some CTA, some call to actions there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write now in here, and this is not something that you need to do. I'm just going to show you why this description is so powerful. I'll just type in there what makes this description so powerful, and let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Okay, so basically what it's saying is the target audience focus. So the description speaks directly to fitness enthusiasts and athletes. It's benefit driven. So rather than just listing features like they do on most Amazon products, it's showing that it's leak free, 32 ounce capability. Those are basically the features, but the description emphasizes the key benefits. It's got engaging language, so it's using sensory language like refreshing, hydration, and crush your fitness goals. It's got social proof, so the tone suggests that the HydroMax is widely trusted by athletes and fitness enthusiasts. SEO optimization, by incorporating relevant keywords such as sports water bottle, insulated water bottle, and leak proof, the description helps improve search engine visibility and attracting more potential buyers. It's got a strong call to action, easy readability. Just scroll down a little bit more. Use this down arrow. Yeah, so it's got basically easy readability. So it's got bullet points that break down the most important features and benefits, making it easy to scan. The short paragraphs and simple language ensure that the readers quickly grasp the product's value without losing interest. By combining these elements, the description effectively informs, excites, and persuades customers to make a purchase. So you're probably wondering who I am and who am I to give this advice. My name's Des from the Ecom Corner, and I also run a free school community called the Ecom Network. It's a great place for like-minded individuals just like you to come into the forum and share ideas. But you might be thinking, now that I know the secrets to writing really great product descriptions, what if I do this and it just doesn't work for me? Should I just give up? Well, the good news, I've got something special for you in the next video. I'll reveal the #1 reason why e-commerce owners throw in the towel far too soon. Plus, I'll show the exact mindset shift that you'll need to make to have a really successful e-commerce store. And I must admit, I wish somebody had shown me this type of video when I was first starting out, and also helping other e-commerce owners.